Hi, listen, let's talk about the Sonus Complete Tinnitus supplement right now, all right? Because it's a very powerful product. Now, listen, okay? I struggled with this debilitating condition, okay, of ringing and buzzing in my ear, the buzzing noise in my ear that was debilitating and frustrating all the time. And I went to Google to look out to look up to look up ways. Sorry, to look up ways to get rid of this condition for good. Okay, because it was hideous. It I just couldn't focus at work. I just couldn't get my life together with this buzzing noise in my right ear all the time. Okay, and this is very dangerous stuff because it's linked to hearing loss. Okay, you don't want to end up being deaf. Okay, because of this condition. Now listen. Okay, I was frustrated about it. Okay, until a friend suggested that I check out this supplement called the Sonus Complete Tinnitus supplement. All right, the Sonus Complete Tinnitus supplement. Okay. Now, the reason why I decided to try it out right now was because it's actually made by two experts. Okay, one is a doctor. He's called Dr. Stephen Campbell, and another person is called Gregory Peters. Okay, and now these two people have both suffered from this debilitating condition. Okay, whereby there's too much ringing in your ear from either the left or the right side, and you're just trying to get rid of it. Okay, listen, I tried to go to Google to find ways to get rid of this condition, all right, to get rid of this disease. Okay, I try to avoid possible irritants, like they said. I try to cover up the noise, like they said. Manage my stress. Reduce the alcohol consumption, but none of that worked. Listen, you're trying to get rid of this, you better pay close attention now, because I'm telling you this because it works. Okay, and it's proven. Okay, and it's powerful stuff here. All right, I already got the stuff here with me. Okay, now, okay, both these Dr. Stephen Campbell and Gregory Peters have been victims. Okay, have been victims of tinnitus. Okay, but right now they don't have that debilitating disease anymore. Okay, and they got rid of it, and they shared their solution with the masses. All right, now I'm telling you this because not everyone wants you to find about this. The big pharma companies that want to profit off you, take your money, that want to take advantage of you people without giving you the actual cure for the disease. Okay, so I'm sharing it with you guys because I love you. Okay, I don't have to personally know you to tell you that I love you, but I do love you because I generally believe people are good. All right, now listen. Okay, this supplement is very powerful because it has natural ingredients in it. All right, it has hibiscus, which is used to actually lower your high blood pressure. It has olive leaves. It has vitamin B3. It has vitamin C. It has vitamin B6. It has vitamin B12. It has green tea. Listen, okay, it has plenty more powerful and natural ingredients that actually help you to get rid of this disease. Right? If you go to a doctor, all right, whatever they prescribe to you is just going to exacerbate the situation. Okay, it's just going to make it worse. It may help you like get rid of it for maybe 2 days or maybe a week or so, but it will come back sooner or later because that's what they do. Okay, they take advantage of people. They don't give people the cure. All right, now I'm giving you what I used and what has worked tremendously for me, because the people who actually made this supplement, okay, had the same problem too, and it's proven to be powerful. It works, and I suggest you check it out today. And leave a like on this video if you've got any value from this product, because I've had great success with this product. It has helped me tremendously with my hearing effect. One time I thought I'll probably end up deaf in my right ear, okay, but thank God a friend suggested to me that I try out the Sonus Complete Tinnitus supplement right now, which I did, and I've added the link in the description below, where you can click and get access to the program, to the supplement right now to try it out, and you'll love the results that you get, because it's powerful, it's natural, and most importantly, it will help you get rid of tinnitus. Okay, you won't have that ringing that ringing effect in your ear, the buzzing noise in your ear anymore. You'll feel healthier. Okay, you will feel stronger, happier, and most importantly, you will love your life. All right, because we all hate things that are detrimental to our health. Okay, like you don't want to end up using just one ear because of this condition that you can get rid of. All right, so check it out today, try it out, and you will love the results that you get. Thank you for watching.